Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop.
My project.
Yep. No, I think I got this. This is pretty easy.
Okay.
Got one screw out. I just got to go around the other side and get the other one out. This pipe's probably just going to fall right off, but that's okay. Oops, just a little bit of guck there. Yeah, I think before I put the rain chain up, I gotta clean the gutter. A lot of stuff in there. Most of the gutter is fairly clean. Well, it's actually packed, but it's not packed as bad as this part. Pine needles. They're nasty things. Okay, I got that end taken care of. Now I just have to climb down and hook up the hanger on it. I have to cut off these pieces of elastic. Probably could untie the knots, but I really don't need little short pieces of elastic. There. Oh, they got a bunch of them on here. Some of this stuff is pretty darn stuck, but I think I got them cut. Now I just have to go up and hang this stuff. Oh, got one here that I missed. Thought I got them all cut, but I didn't. Now I just got to go up and hang this from the gutter. And since I won't be able to do that one-handed, I'm going to just let you guys think about what I'm doing. Yep, hangs from the gutter just fine, but I'm 2 buckets onto the ground, and I think I need to take 1 bucket off. I'm going to go get a pair of pliers, and we'll shorten the bucket up and give it something to hang on, you know, like a little stake or something, so it doesn't swing around in the wind and bang into everything. Be right back. Anchored to the ground, anchored to the gutter, hang it straight and true. Looks like we got her done. Just have to put away the ladder and the hammer and pick up all my little strings. But other than that, I think we got it. Looks good. This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.